Jinu Joseph, Global Group Editor of Modern Plastics Global Network and Modern Plastics India, Modern Plastics TV. Here with Mr. Dhirendra Chaudhary, CEO of Briar Asia Private Limited. Thank you, sir, for joining Modern Plastics TV here at Plast India. Could you please tell our viewers about Briar Asia Private Limited and what are the product range, the history of Briar, because you serve other than plastics many other industries, and what are the latest development you did it here?
Well, Briar Asia is a part of Pawa Group Enterprises. Pawa Group has 4 companies, out of which Briar Asia is the flagship company. Briar Asia is a core technology-oriented company, and the core technology which it subscribes to and follows and works upon continuously is adsorption technology. So Briar Asia invests a lot in adsorption technology, and all the benefits coming out of its innovations in the adsorption technology are translated into products which go into many industries, starting from pharmaceuticals, food, could be defense, plastics, could be data centers, many industries. I mean, you name it, and we are present. In a sense, we say that wherever there is an air, we have an application. So we are so widespread, we are so much present everywhere. Briar Asia, if I talk about, is over 5 decades old company, which of course originated in United States somewhere in 60s, and then later on it did more work on this part of the continent, and this is how it took over all the rights, global rights, and today Briar Asia is Indian multinational company having its subsidiaries in China, in Brazil, in Nigeria, in Switzerland, and in Malaysia. So we are present in all these countries. We have broadly 3 or 4 business divisions. All of these products in all these divisions are based on adsorption technology. The desiccant dehumidification, the primary division which does the dehumidification of the air for various industries, as I said, in pharmaceutical, food, and many applications. I mean, you can imagine a simple mithai shop. A mithai shop could you can remove the moisture from the air from the enclosure where the mithai is kept, and you can enhance the shelf life of mithai. So it has got that level of application. On the other side, you have spray drying application in making milk powder. There you have an application of a huge dehumidifier. Lithium batteries coming up very recently, huge ones. We are one of the 3 top companies in the world who have this technology to make dry rooms for the lithium ion cells manufacturing. So this is the division which looks after this dehumidification for the industrials. Then plastics is another application where we do a lot of work in drying the plastics, which provides the efficiency, effectiveness, and the productivity in the plastics industry. So we continuously keep coming up with newer products. The core of our product is the desiccant rotor, which again, at global level, there are only 3 or 4 companies in the world who have these kinds of technology, and we are one of them. Not only one of them, but we are one of them who invests a lot of money in development of newer technologies in those rotors. The manufacturing of rotor itself is a very complicated process. A lot of chemicals involved into it. We invest a lot in those chemicals, and that results into a lot of benefits. Like, for example, you are seeing a product over here, which is a latest development, and no one else has this product, I would say, in the world, wherein we are able to do drying at much lower energy consumption than what others can do. Because the capability of this rotor is to adsorb moisture at even high temperature air which is coming back from the hopper of the plastic processing machines. So such developments are many, and we are continuously working on this, and we want to stick to our core technology of adsorption, where we want to work and continuously offer products which are a step ahead with anyone else.
how do you see the Indian market and the growth happening in India?
Well, I am told today only that the average plastic consumption per capita in India is one of the lowest in the world. We are at, I believe, 17 kgs per capita consumption, while US is somewhere at 100 kgs. And the world average is at, I think, 40 or 45 kgs per capita. So you know the upside of it. The kind of plastic consumption we are talking about is continuously going to go up. More the plastic consumption, more there is a demand from the industry for quality of the products and for efficiency of the production, because the efficient manufacturers or processors of plastics are only going to survive on continuous basis. And the auxiliaries have very important role to play in creating those efficiencies in the manufacturing process. And we are one of the core auxiliary manufacturer in terms of dryers, mold drying systems, mold dehumidification systems, which enhances the productivity of. And when the plastic processor is operating on a very high volume and thin margins, it's the manufacturing efficiency which is going to make him survive. And that is where we come into picture and we help them. So I see a great future for plastic industry, multiple applications. I mean, whatever you talk about, that there is a hue and cry to replace plastic, but I think we can't do away without plastics. Every walk of life we will find the plastic, and the consumption is going to grow, and definitely we are going to serve the plastic industry for that.
What message you want to give it to the plastic industry?
I have a very clear message, and I will not mince words while saying that is, of course, there is a vested interest into it, because we are into that business. That while manufacturing, please look for energy conservation and productivity on continuous basis. Never give up. There is no end to improvement in energy conservation. There is no end to improvement in the productivity. We are always there to continuously have dialogue with the plastic industry. We are there continuously to direct all our efforts into R&D and development to ensure that these objectives are achieved. So my request to the whole plastic industry is pay a lot of attention to the energy and productivity.
Thank you so much for joining Modern Plastics TV here at Plus India 2023 at your booth. We wish you all the best in the coming days. Have a wonderful time.